Where are you going? Have you ever felt like you wanted to go somewhere or you knew where you wanted to go, but you did not know how to get there? There's a scripture that says in James 4:3, you receive not because you ask not. This past week, I've been praying about some things and some opportunities professionally, and I put them up to the Lord, some questions. Could you allow me to be able to connect to someone in this industry and point me into the next steps to get to this place? Just some intentionality in prayer. That led to an old friend over coffee, whom I haven't talked to in a couple of years, connecting me to a mutual friend of his, leading me to an exact conversation to get into the industry that I'm trying to connect professionally. Another conversation this past week, the same thing. Someone reached out to me, a professional in the area, that asked if I would come help them with some publicity plays with their organization. Out of nowhere, two things I've been praying about, thinking about, but I intentionally asked the Lord, if you would see fit, would you connect me to the right people or channels to get me to this place that I desire to go? Are you asking? Are you listening? If so, be prepared to receive. And if you're not, start now.